Hi friends, I'm Sarvin, and welcome back to KBS Universe Kids Solar System Explorer. We've visited Mercury, Venus, and our wonderful Earth. But today, we're heading to one of the most mysterious worlds in space, Mars, the Red Explorer. .eu. Look out the window, wow! Everything looks so red. That's because Mars is covered in a special kind of dust called iron oxide, the same thing that makes rust. It gives the whole planet its shiny red color. So Mars is often called the red planet. As I land my rocket, the red sand swirls around. It's like landing in a giant desert made of dust and rock. Mars has mountains, valleys, and craters that are bigger than anything on Earth. See that huge volcano in the distance? That's Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in our entire solar system. It's almost 3 times taller than Mount Everest. Twa. And look at that deep crack stretching across the land. It's Valles Marineris, a canyon so long it could stretch across all of India. Isn't that amazing? But Mars isn't just dry land. Scientists believe that long ago there were rivers, lakes, and maybe even oceans here. No, most of that water has turned into ice or disappeared into space. But frozen water still hides beneath the surface. That's one big reason scientists are so interested in Mars. They want to know if life once existed here.
Let's check the weather. Bruh, it's really cold. Temperatures can drop below 60 degrees Celsius, and sometimes giant dust storms blow across the planet for weeks. There's no air we can breathe here either. Mars's atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, so we'd need spacesuits to explore safely. Do you know what's cool though? A day on Mars is almost the same as one on Earth, just about 24 hours and 39 minutes. But a year on Mars is nearly twice as long as ours. It takes 687 Earth days to orbit the Sun. So if you lived on Mars, you'd have to wait almost 2 Earth years for your next birthday. And here's the most exciting part. We've already sent robots to explore Mars. The Curiosity, Perseverance, and Opportunity rovers are like brave little explorers on wheels. They drive across the rocky ground, take pictures, and search for clues that might tell us if Mars once had life. Maybe one day, humans, maybe even you, could travel here and help build the first Martian home. Scientists dream of planting crops, making oxygen, and creating small colonies. Can you imagine waking up and watching a sunrise on Mars? That would be the adventure of a lifetime. Mars may look empty and cold, but it's full of stories, secrets, and endless possibilities. It's a planet that teaches us courage, curiosity, and the power to explore the unknown. Next time, we'll travel to the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter, the giant of the sky.